Welcome to the Sneakers Sit Down. I'm your host, Mr. J1 Hype. Take it easy. Enjoy the show. Enjoy your weekend. So yes, guys, I have a great video for you today. But listen, if you're new to this video and this channel, the Sneakers Sit Down, go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get each and every new video. And also leave me some comments and like the video if you enjoy this video today. So listen, guys, I had to go back and get them. Yes, the Jordan 11 Space Jam Lows. This is a fantastic shoe. If you're sleeping on this shoe, I advise you to go back and grab them, guys. I mean, this is an iconic colorway, and you know, it's an iconic movie, Space Jam, that starred Michael Jordan and the whole cast of Looney Tunes, Bugs Bunny, and all the great basketball players of the 90s. And it's a cult classic that if you grew up during that time, you know we all love that movie Space Jam, okay? Now, in the movie Space Jam, Michael Jordan wore the Space Jam colorway on the Jordan 11s when he played the final game against the Monstars. And did you know, in that movie, on the back of that shoe had number 23. Now, when we recently received a retro of the Space Jam Jordan 11s in 2016, that shoe had the 45 on the back, different from the movie. And the reason why is that in 1995, when Michael Jordan returned to basketball, he was wearing the number 45, and the Jordan 11s he wore during the playoffs was a playoff PE in the Space Jam colorway, and it had the 45 on it, different from the movie. So in actuality, it's two different variations of the Space Jams. So in the movie, he wore the Space Jam colorway with the 23 on the back of the shoe, and in the playoffs, he wore the Space Jam colorway with the 45 on the back. So the first ever colorway to drop for the Space Jams in the year 2000. It's not an original colorway, but it is original to the movie. The first colorways to drop in the Jordan 11 were the Concords, the Legend Blues or Columbias, and the Breads. So this right here is the low top version of the actual Space Jam colorway with the 23 on back, true to the Space Jam Jordan 11s from the movie, not the playoffs, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, so it has a complex history, but we all love the Jordan 11 Space Jams. And I gotta say, guys, this is a fantastic shoe with so many great features on it, and we can look at a lot of those great features, and let's do that right now. So if you didn't know this, on the Jordan 11 you have Jordan Jumpman, but only on the Space Jam colorway you have Jordan Jam, okay? Different from the Jordan 11s. Only the Space Jam dons that special branding and wording right here on the tongue, okay, guys? So if you didn't know that, now you know. The upper is that ballistic mesh that we know so well from the Jordan 11. We have fully patent leather around the entire shoe in that black patent leather that looks amazing. You have a actual blue Jumpman opposed to the Concord purple, and also the blue pods on the bottom. You also have a slither of leather around here in the heel, upper heel area with that 23 on the top. It's not stitched on, so eventually this will rub off if you know about the Jordan 11s at 23, which is a bummer. You have that all white midsole with that carbon fiber shank here on the bottom, and you have that fully icy blue translucent bottoms. You have a blue Jumpman in the insoles, and I gotta say, this is an amazing shoe. You can't go wrong with an all black and white shoe. They all look amazing, easy to match with any other type of shoe. Now I want to bring out another shoe from last year, the 72 and 10 Jordan 11 Lows. And this is very similar to this shoe, so I had to add it to the collection. But these have icy milky white bottoms with black pods and red carbon fiber shanking at the bottom, with a gym red Jumpman here on the front and on the back. So if you had a choice out of these two, which one would you grab? The Jordan 11 Low Space Jams or the 72 and 10 Jordan 11 Lows, which has upper all leather instead of the ballistic mesh, which I like them both. I just think, you know, their own type of variety of shoe and colorway and materials that they use, unique to each other, and I think they're both amazing. And also I picked up this shoe last year. We have the, let me grab this way so you can see both of them together. We have the Space Jam Jordan 1 Mids, paying tribute to Space Jam with a unique colorway, all black, patent leather, and you got the leather and the ice blue bottoms. Plus you have the Concord purple on this one, and it also says that Jumpman Jams inside the insole to pay tribute to Space Jam. So I like them both. I think they're amazing. But what do you guys think of the Space Jam Lows? Are you guys going back to get these? Don't sleep on them, because I guarantee in future times this shoe will be sought after and amazing to have in the collection, and just amazing to wear any time you want them, because you can't go wrong with an all black and white shoe. It looks so great together with any outfit. But guys, if you are sleeping on the Jordan 11 Space Jam Lows, I wouldn't sleep for too long. They're available now. I think they're amazing, and I'm so happy I put them in the collection. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll be back with another video here on The Sneaker Sit Down. Thank you so much, and have a blessed weekend.